Everyone, in today's video we will fix the KitchenAid dishwasher spray arm not spinning, clean jets, filter and the pump check. So the fix one, you can clean spray arm holes. The jet. So firstly you can remove the spray arm, twist or pull, then check small holes for dirt or dripped the food, then clean using the toothpick or a pin. Now you can wash under the running water and put it back in again. Fix 2, you can clean the filter. Open dishwasher, remove bottom rack and then take out filter, the twist and pull. Then wash it with water and then put it back. The fix 3, don't block spray arm. Check dishes placement. Make sure nothing touches the spray arm and spin arm by hand to test. The fix 4, you can check the pump. Turn off the power, then check the bottom area for the blockage. Then in step 3, you can clean any drops and if pump not working, may need a replacement. Goodbye.